So I think sometimes it's good to celebrate the milestone where you come from and where you are, and even to thank the supporters and team joining all over. Yeah, so it's big. This is Musa Bok. Stage name Musa Jakadalla, aka the Joyman. I'm the Herare Mohitunika. Sikula lora biro yo gwenu parie. Pero kitana umbo gwenu kama mundiki pari. Gimaduga fwenyo muduminuki. I'm the band leader and CEO of Super Latino Handler Guys, which was formed in the year 2013 with the 6 members, and now we are like 23 people. We started with the 6 members and now we are 23. So that's a milestone. It means there is something good inside there. Jakadalla. Dalla is my grandfather. Yeah, our home is called Kadallas. So that's why I'm using the Kadallas. I don't want that name to fade. So Musa is a shortcut of Moses. I was born in Ogunja constituency, Siaya. I have so many names, like we have the Joyman, Stage Master. I think the Joyman came with how I relate with the fans on stage. Launched Terraremo in the year 2016. It was big, and that's where we got the breakthrough till to date. So it's been a long journey. I like music so much, so I got excited and I was just finding a way how I can be a musician. Yeah. So there is a time I got on the stage. I got a number of Dola Kabari. I called the guy and told me, "Can you sing?" And I told him, "Yeah, of course I can sing." And I got motivated. I released my first album, in the year 2013. Yawanyatino dwarogamo, iwachigimi dwarotayigami. That was my first song ever. second album was Nyasia. Oh, Nyasia. Ah, baby. Nyatigi dunia lera duari dala. So far I have 5 albums. The first album we did 6 songs. The second one 7 songs, and Haremo we had 6 songs. The Habu album, that was the previous one, my last album now. The Habu, it has 9 songs. So we have so many songs. You know, the first album I was just excited. Now I can sing, I can lead the band, things like that. So there was not much expectations, zero pressure. Yeah, the album Nyiridwaro, and I can recall those times we were recording live. Yeah, we were doing live recording in the studio. Nyiridwaro. And then the second one, Nyasia, it was a composition, the song that was written.
It is about the journey.
Yeah, so, and I think the morale and the support to the band members, yeah, that's where I got motivation about the Nyasia, my second album. And then Heraremo, even Heraremo, you know, Heraremo blew up, and I didn't expect it to be that big because we were just we wasn't serious as in we can do something big and to compete with the champions and those people, the big names in the industry. Music has got so many challenges because you know how here now we are dealing with the fans and you as a person, so there's a lot of expectations. At times you do something, you are satisfied, but the fans or the people who support you, they are not satisfied. Expectations. So there is time unafanya tu kitu and then una realize ujafika place mafans wanapenda or where they expected you to. And then we have the trolls on social media. Like there was a time kuna hii disease walianza Jakadalla disease. It was bad because you know here now we are talking of the emotions and yeah. Alafu this is a name you have been building decades and now Jakadalla disease. So far as a Super Latin band, we have managed even to support other upcoming artists. I would like so many people to be like me. Lugha ya mapenzi ni ngumu kuelewa, lazima uwe makini. local, internationally.